Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. I am in an onion mood. Last week I made the bloomin' onion. Forget about it, right? Oh, hey, I got onions left over. I'm gonna make some homemade onion rings wrapped with bacon.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
The ultimate meatball.
We're gonna cut some onions, okay? Again, sweet onions are the best for onion rings. Your bloomin' onion, forget about it, guys, okay? So here I have my leftover flour mixture from the bloomin' onion. Okay, so we're gonna use that leftover, okay? And if not, just get some flour, mix it up with your favorite seasonings if you wanna go that far. If not, plain flour is good. But me, I like to dress it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's what I got here, okay? We're gonna use 2 eggs, a little bit of milk, okay? And some Italian breadcrumbs. If you got plain, that's fine. Just throw some parsley in it. Anyway, we're gonna cut her down right here. I'll take that off. All right, I'm gonna use the back of the knife. I'm not gonna put it all the way in, but just enough around. This way I can take off the first layer, okay? I'm gonna take off the first layer of the onion. Always keep a towel handy because after you open your onion, you're gonna have some of that skin laying around. Nobody wants to eat that skin, you know? I mean, this is something you could do with the kids. I mean, kids love this stuff, you know? You don't want to go too far down because then your rings are gonna have slits in them and they're not gonna be rings. They're gonna be snakes. All right, so we're gonna take this off. You're gonna take your onion. How thick, how thin you want them, it's all up to you, okay? So keep your flour handy, okay? So we're gonna make them about that thick. You wanna make sure you got a sharp knife so you're not forcing anything down, okay? Look at that, nice. Nice and nice, all right? Oh my God, look at these onions, are still getting to me, right? So, I could lie and say, hey, it's the shampoo got in my eyes. Now, your onions are cut, so just fan them out. You know, keep the nice big ones, okay? Again, you want a little guy like that, you have a little guy. This, put it to the side, because we're gonna chop it for hot dogs, okay? You know what's good, guys? Beer battered onion rings. We gotta make some beer battered onion rings, too. I love beer battered onion rings. You got your onions cut, right? You have your flour, take your flour out, take some out. Let's sprinkle it on where you're gonna work at them, right? Just dip them in the flour, coat them really good. All right, don't have to be fancy, you know? Now you got them all floured, I'm just gonna throw them right back in the flour. You got your onion rings over there in the flour, get 2 eggs. Boom. Make sure you get the shell out after the shell goes in there. Boom. Hey, look, a double yolk. What can I say, huh? So now we're gonna put a little bit of milk. Get your whisk it all good. All right, now we got a nice little assembly line together. We got our onion rings, we got our egg mixture, we got our breadcrumb, we got our dish, and we got our bacon. We opened our bacon, guys, and cut it in half. You'll see why. All right, so let's go. Assembly line. We're gonna have this. Boom. Make sure it's all good. Throw it in here. We're gonna give it a shake a little bit, and then boom. We're gonna make sure it's all pushed down. Push it down. Boom, boom, boom. Huh? You want it nicey nice. All right. Go around. Make sure it's nicey nice. Again. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna make some plain. All right. Boom. Push it in. Boom. All right. Give it a little shake. Boom, boom. take this, right? This is why I cut it in half. Right? Wrap it around. The top, the bottom, top, the bottom. Right? Right? Watch, guys, watch. Watch and learn. Take the other half, right? Do it on the other side. That's how I do. You could go all the way around with the one, but look, man, this is nice and nice. Right? Look at that. See that? Huh? Is that a thing of beauty or is that a thing of beauty, guys? Huh? So now, again, this is where you keep doing it and doing it until it's all gone. So I'm going to keep doing it till it's all gone. And so do you. I got my 2 batches done. I'm going to go over to the fryer, fry them up on 350, put them on my handy dandy wire rack, and hit them with some salt. Well, the bacon wasn't really cooperating. So what I did, I got some toothpicks, put them through the bacon and the onion ring to hold them in place. But anyway, you got your bacon wrapped onion rings. Goes good with a bacon burger right on top, underneath the burger. Boom! Forget about it. You got your regular onion rings for burger night, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Guys, again, like and subscribe. Here's my email address. Email me your request. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. I'm going to tell you guys, check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band Mama Jammers of Rock. Also, look out for Frankie Meatball's Kitchen Food Facts coming on PhillyRockRadio.com. I'm going to tell you what, guys, I'm going to go get myself some ketchup, lather these up, and I'm going to eat them. I'll see you next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.